Alright, this is what I'm working with. The ECU with a standalone harness runs up into the VAT bypass relay or module. This is the fuse block with the individual fuses and check engine light. The fuel relay is back right there. It's a fuel pump relay. It runs up over into here. The ground for the ECU, which runs into the engine block. The injector plugs, of course, we all know what those are. The coil, everything's plugged in. This is the only thing I'm not using. It came with it. It's a 4-prong connector for an automatic transmission. I'm using a stock a 5-speed, so that's not in play. The only other things that aren't installed right now, of course, are my NOx sensors, my O2 sensors, since the harness is for a B-body. But I've got 2 NOx sensors to fit that. Got the headers, of course, engine mounts. We can go to the other side. We've got the power steering delete pulley, or that's the AC delete pulley. I'm going to be working on the power steering one soon. It runs up over into here, and as you can see, everything looks fairly plugged in. That's for the fuel. That wire's for the fuel. These wires are for, well, fan for a switch. Fusible links for the Datsun stock system. Pretty much it for right now. Of course, I will get more running up for you tomorrow when there's more light. I have to get my battery charged so you can see what happens when I start it.